GPS module can communicate with up to 31 satellites to be used for navigation activities. It is free to use and also works almost every time and everywhere around the Earth. Around the Earth, currently there are multiple GPS satellites. Each of them always emit a certain signal which can be used for track activities. The data will be in NMEA sentences which needed to be translated accordingly to obtain readable data such as longitude, latitude, altitude, and also speed. This kind of data then can be used to pinpoint anyone's exact location. Our project is to build a system for items tracker. This tracker is supposed to help them relax and confident because they will no need to panic when they forget where have they left their items.
List of component of this item tracker. Firstly, we use Node MCU ASP8266, and then Neo 6M GPS module, light emitting diode LED, buzzer, resistor, and jumper.
Node MCU ESP8266. Node MCU is an open source platform based on ESP8266 which can connect object and data transfer using the Wi-Fi protocol. It providing some of the most important feature of microcontroller such as GPIO, PWM, and ADC. It also collect data from GPS module. Neo 6M GPS module. This function is a well-performing complete GPS receiver which provide a strong satellite search capability. With the power and signal indicator, we can monitor the status of the module. We also can get the location data. Next is buzzer. Buzzer as alarm to track where the device located. This will easy for user to find their item. Next, LED. LED function as indicator to show function of the project. When it blinks 3 times after power on, it means the controller receive power from the battery. When it blinks consistently, it means Neo 6M successfully obtained the GPS data from the satellite. Next is resistor. The resistor is used to limit the current through the LED and to prevent excess current that can burn out the LED. If the voltage source is equal to the voltage drop of the LED, no resistance is required. And lastly, jumper. This is to make a connection of the component. Jumper that we use is male to male jumper, female to female jumper, and male to female jumper.
We have 3 checkpoints which is represent 3 different places. The first point at printer shop that located at Taman Tasik Utama. For the first point, the IoT cloud have displayed the latitude and longitude 2273 and 1022.81. Then, the second checkpoint that refer to Petronas MITC, which latitude 2.274 and longitude 102.286. And the last checkpoint is Ai Kero Police Station, which latitude 2.27C and longitude 102.2x9.
In conclusion, the goal of the project as mentioned earlier have been achieved by constructing the project prototype. Item tracker using Node MCU ESP8266 is successfully developed. IT able to monitor longitude, latitude in serial monitor Arduino and viewing map in IT Cloud. The buzzer and LED also function properly when the prototype is turned on. Lastly, the design, develop and test the performance of item tracker has been achieved and the detailed knowledge of the GPS tracking system has been obtained to develop this project.
That's all from our group Item Tracker. Thank you.